Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a cinematic camera movement in CapCut. So first, import the video that you want to edit to CapCut and add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip, and then zoom in the clip like this. After that, drag the video to the right. Okay, and then go to the end of the video and add another keyframe and drag the video back to the left side. Okay, like this, and you are done. But you can always use the grabs to make the movement smoother, but without grabs it will look like this, so it will have some fake camera movement. Okay, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.